Um, so this is Paul 5X. I recorded another video of this before where I went over the details of what was going on. I don't really exactly know for sure, but I got everything on my laptop and it does not appear to be working because I bought the Steam Edition, I downloaded it on PC, everything was working fine. So I reinstall it on my laptop and there's rendering areas of some sort. Something really freaky just happened. I didn't catch it, unfortunately. Where it just showed a ton of random graphs and stuff while screaming randomly. I'm gonna actually close my window here because it's currently nighttime anyway. Frick. That might it if you set it on autoplay. Definitely rendering errors. I'm not touching it. That's autoplay probably doing something. Not sure what the Yo, what? It's like https:/wikipedia.org/ I can't actually read that because the resolution, my frame rate is low. Definitely a rendering error. That's really freaky though. Oh god, what? Oh, I see things. I can move the camera? Yeah. No? Oh. Can I walk? Yes. I appear to be moving. There's no ground if you can't already tell. And then if you press any of the UI, it doesn't work. Except for the pause menu for some reason. You know. Sorry if you just heard a I'm recording this on my phone because the laptop that I'm running this on does not have a screen recorder. I'm wondering if anyone else has this issue occasionally. Currently this is on autoplay because I've let it go still for a little bit. Really neat. Must say I really enjoyed this gameplay. This is a nice relaxing experience I was definitely hoping to get from reinstalling everything onto my laptop instead of from my PC, so cool. There's no way that's not intentional. I still can't read what that says. Let me change the resolution here one second. Actually, oh, I'm a black bear apparently. Good to know. Yeah, let's just leave it on that because I don't want to raise it up higher because then it lags a lot more. I mean, it's already obviously having serious issues, though. Maybe this is just too old. What? Brilliant. I'm really enjoying how it's rendering some things, but then right, like this is not creepy. What does that Wikipedia say? It's Nolstein Friesen cattle? Oh, the Wikipedia is just the animal. Yeah. This is on autoplay, if you know. Sorry. Sorry if this is boring, too. I might edit it later. Edit it, cut it down a bit, but this is the raw one. The original one, you know, I accidentally deleted, so. Is that all it is say to be discontinued? I mean, I knew it was supposed to be a reflection on life, didn't know it would be this accurate. Yeah, definitely gonna have to chop it. That's a pure black screen, by the way. Well. Well, I'll give further updates while I'm doing other stuff. I wanted it on as, like, background noise, you know. The music is still working. And it's got some pretty nice visuals. That's bopping. Once again, I apologize for the camera, but you know. Neat. Thank you for watching this all the way through if you watched the unedited. If you watched the edited version, good on you too. Sorry for the bad quality. This is just very surreal, as if the game wasn't already ready already. Yeah, back to homework or something. It's nighttime now. I don't know if you can. God, that looks awful. Oh. I did like the surround sound where I'm like, whoo. You can't hear that because I'm recording this on my. Oh God, look at that! Look at that little blue fringe. Oh, what are we now? Goal. lovely view of absolute nothing. Alright. It's my favorite, new dubstep remix. Yeah. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this all the way through if you made it to this point. Sorry about the camera and my ice chewing. Yeah, this has been Paul 5X, signing out. Oh, there we go. Unacceptable graph speed frame time. FPS. Oh, okay. Well, thank you anyway.